In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change camera in Google Chrome. If you have more than one webcam, or you've plugged in a new external camera, and Chrome keeps picking the wrong one for calls or recordings, setting your default camera in Chrome will make everything work the way you expect. Start with Chrome open on your computer, look to the top right corner of the window, and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where all the app's settings live. From here, choose Settings. That will open a new tab dedicated to your browser preferences. On the left side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome controls things like site permissions. Next, select Site Settings. Site Settings is where you decide what websites can access, such as your location, microphone, and camera. Scroll down the page until you find Camera, then click it. This takes you to a focused screen just for camera permissions and device selection. At the top, under Default Behavior, make sure the option that allows sites to ask to use your camera is turned on. With this enabled, websites can request access, and you'll see a small permission prompt the first time a site wants to use your camera. If this is off, Chrome will block camera access entirely, and your video won't show up, even if you selected the right device. Below that, open the default camera drop-down menu. You'll see the list of cameras that your computer currently recognizes, such as a built-in webcam or any external USB camera you've connected. Choose the camera you want Chrome to use by default. If you're using an external webcam, make sure it's plugged in and powered on before you open this menu. If you don't see the device you expect, try unplugging and reconnecting it, then reopen the camera settings page, or restart Chrome so it can refresh the list of available devices. Once you've selected your default camera, you're set. Chrome applies this choice immediately, and the next time a site asks for camera access, it will use the device you picked. If you still don't see video after setting the default, confirm that you allowed the site's permission prompt when it appeared, and consider checking your operating system's privacy settings to ensure Chrome has permission to use the camera. That's all you need to change your camera in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your video working smoothly.